Hello, this is Carlos with Elite Construction and Roofing. We are at William Sellers' house. Today is Monday, the 18th at 8:59 a.m. The temperature is already at around 90 degrees. As you see here, we're going to be attempting to repair this missing shingle. As you see, like I wrote here, there's no mat transfer. You can tell it is a wind damaged shingle. You see there is absolutely no mat transfer on that shingle. There's no tool marks, like you guys like to say. There's nothing. You can see that shingle right there. There's nothing indicating anybody's messed with this or compromised it in any way. So I am going to pass this camera over and get started on the repair. I'm using a snake bar to put the shingles in and a pry bar to get the shingles out. Ooh, we got a tear right there already. All right, so the first thing I notice is that the new architectural shingle does not fit. As you see, it overlaps it about 1 inch. So it does not butt up to it like it should. Manufacturer company says I should not cut this shingle on a straight run. So I'm not gonna do so. I'm gonna put it in just like that, but that is not gonna work. another shingle here. I don't know. I'm gonna stay here while we run and go grab another shingle. But as you can see already, there is some tearing right here. I felt another tear somewhere right here. There's another tear. These shingles are extremely brittle. Again, this one doesn't fit, it overlaps. So I'm gonna have to overlap it. It's on the old shingle. So we're gonna put these back on with the snake bar and lift the snake bar up. All right, so we got the shingle in there. So as you see, straight line crease right there. And all the tears that come with it. Look, right there. Completely tore the shingle right there. Completely tore the shingle right around here somewhere. Right here. And so it's gonna be a fail repair test. Also, the dimensions do not fit here. So I'm gonna be leaving a shingle here for you guys to take to your lab. But this is everywhere. It's got multiple damage on the front, multiple damage on the back. This roof is not repairable.